All right, Adam, where are we going?
Shooting range.
What's the weather like outside right now, Adam?
Rainy.
And cold.
Ah!
Whoa, where are you going? Whoa! All right, Kylie, where are we going?
We're going to the shooting range.
Is this a good idea, Kylie?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh boy, he's crazy Adam.
Ah!
All right, so Adam, what are you going to be shooting? You're going to be shooting
A metal plate.
a metal plate? Well, what are you going to shoot it with?
Shotgun.
A shotgun. What kind of shotgun?
I forget what. 410.
410, nice. And we're shooting buckshot.
Yeah.
All right. And so here, let's get a picture or look at what kind of beautiful weather we have. Uh-huh. Yes. It's Christmas Eve morning at, where's the clock? 8:30 in the morning. And we're over at the Snyder's house. And we're going to go to the shooting range because that's what normal people do on Christmas Eve. Russ.
Yeah.
Bad guys. 12 o'clock. Get them.
Is it that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Through the windshield?
Go
Right
ahead.
through the windshield?
Through the windshield.
Okay. It won't work.
This was rather anticlimactic. Where can we go where we can actually shoot it?
The shooting range.
Let's do it. So this is Russ. Did it work, Russ?
Hey.
I don't want to hit my car. All right.
Move.
Hey, thanks for letting us in, man. We'll catch you on the other
I'll see you
side.
later. I'll wait here.
All right.
In the rain.
So here we are at the New Holland Gun and Awesome Center. I think that's what it's called. Is that what it's called, kids? The Gun and Awesomeness Center?
I've never been here before.
So we've decided that the name of this place is the New Holland Gun and Awesomeness Center. All right, let's go shoot some awesome time.
Yeah!
Yay! Gun!
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's Ray?
Here. Put the mag in. Nice and hard. Good. Okay. Now. I want you to show me how you're going to shoot it. There's no... Okay. You're left-handed, huh? Okay. And you remember how to aim, right? Okay. Okay, now. All right, so hold it with your left hand. Keep your finger straight. Is that your trigger finger? You keep it straight like that, okay? Now with this hand, pull the slide back all the way and let it go. Okay, you ready to shoot? This is your safety. When you're ready to shoot, push it down with your thumb. Now hold on to it very tight. Don't pull the trigger yet, till I tell you, okay? One finger on the trigger. One finger only. Okay? Now when you're ready to shoot it, go ahead.
That was awesome!
Hey, hold on to it tight. It's still got a round in it. You aiming? Lean forward. You're doing good. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Got a jam. Okay. Now,
Go for it.
hold it. Okay. Now you're going to hold it out. Okay. Hold it out. There you go. Good. Okay. All right. I'm going to put this in for you, okay? Now, you're going to hold it right there, okay? Put your thumb down, okay? Hold it out some. Now, pull the trigger, okay? Go ahead.
Oh, Dad, we forgot to bring something.
Go ahead.
I'm trying.
Pull the trigger.
I'm trying, Dad.
All right, hold on. Stop.
Ah, stop hitting me!
Here. Let me try it again. Go ahead.
I'm going down here.
Hard, okay? Good. Do it again. Tight. job.
Light him up, cowboy.
I got a jam gun.
Go ahead.
Whack-a-doodle.
All right, Adam, what are you doing?
Loading up a pistol. Nag.
Ready?
Is that a 22, Russ?
It's a 22.
Okay.
That's it.
Sometimes 22s get dirty. You got to clean it more often.
Yeah. It does need to be cleaned. That's a 22.
It's 20. Yep, there's a 22 shell right there.
Here's a couple.
That's so cool.